everybody, I'm Eggplant Evelyn with Food Literacy Center. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have a very special recipe today. As you all know, it's Food Literacy Month, and we have had our favorite chefs from around Sacramento making recipes with our 5 veggie contenders. What are our veggie contenders? Well, I'll show you. We have Team Broccoli, Team Mushroom, Team Avocado, and we have Team Bok Choy. Look at this Bok Choy. And last but not least, we have Team Collard Green. You can find our recipe and our supply list that we're using for today on our website, foodliteracycenter.org. And our recipe we're making today is Veggie of the Year Rice Salad. This is a great recipe, and we're using all of our veggie contenders in this one recipe and one of our favorite whole grains. We have brown rice that we're making. So we're going to need to do a few things before we get started. As always, make sure you wash your hands for at least 30 seconds with warm water and soap. So I've already gone and done that. Today we're going to be making our recipe with our honey soy dressing. It's so good. We've used it in other recipes and you can find it on our website. And we use this making using canola oil, sesame seed oil, a little bit of honey, soy sauce, and also rice vinegar. So it's really good. It's going to taste really great with all of our veggies that we have today. So you're going to want to go ahead and make that recipe ahead of time. If you don't have the ingredients for this dressing, you can use another light dressing like Italian or whatever favorite light dressing that you have at home. The next thing that you're going to want to do ahead of time, and we learned this from Chef Nina earlier this month, is we're going to want to blanch our collard green leaves. So you place each leaf in simmering water for about 30 seconds, and then we place it in an ice bath so it can stop cooking. So once we blanch them, you can see it's a really pretty green color. It's a little bit softer compared to our unblanched collard green leaf that's a little bit stiff and not as green. So just go ahead and have your parents do that ahead of time so you can have a nice looking leaf like this. And we have everything we need to get started. So first thing, we're going to be using one of our favorite cooking tools, our hands. So you can go ahead and tear the pieces of collard green leaves, and you want to keep them small, bite size, so you can just tear them down until we have about a 1/4 cup. Now if you don't want to use your hands, you can do what I do. I like to roll up my leaves, and then I just like to go ahead and slice them using our claw. So I'm just going to slice, and that's going to make some collard green ribbons. So you can see here we have a nice little collard green ribbon. So we have our one veggie down, our collard greens, nice and sliced, or you can tear it with your hands. The other veggie you can use your hands with is our Bok Choy. So you can remove the stems that you want to use with your hands. I'm going to take 3 stems, and I've already washed these, so I've gotten most of the dirt off. And you can do the same thing. You can just use your hands and we can tear. This is a really great recipe because you don't really have to do much cutting. You can just use your hands, and that Bok Choy just tears so perfectly and easy. Or again, if you don't want to use your hands, like I said, you can roll it up if you want to a little bit, and you can just use a knife. A butter knife would be just fine to cut the Bok Choy because it's so soft. And you can just make little cuts all the way down to the stem until you have about a 1/4 cup. I'm going to quickly cut another one because I really like how crunchy it is. It's going to taste really great in our salad. Next, we're going to take our mushrooms. So I've already gone and cleaned our mushrooms. You can see they're nice and clean. And we're going to make slices with our mushrooms. So you can, again, use your claw, or you can use a butter knife. You could even tear chunks off of the mushroom if you want to. It's going to be an all hands-on recipe. You don't want to use a knife. I like them sliced, so I'm going to slice my mushrooms. The next veggie we're going to use is our broccoli. This is another one where you can just use your hands. You can just tear off little broccoli bits. And because we're making a salad, you want all of your pieces to be about the same size. That way, when you take a spoonful of the recipe to try, you can get a little of everything. So I'm gonna tear off some bigger pieces, and I'm gonna need to use my knife with my bigger pieces. So again, we're gonna cut about a 1/4 cup of everything. And I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna cut them. They don't have to be perfect because they're gonna get mixed together in the salad. And I have this big one, so this big one I really need to cut. And I like to keep the stems because you can eat the stems. So I'm not gonna throw the stems out. I'm gonna add the stems to the recipe because it's gonna taste good. It's gonna be all mixed together. Great. So we have our small little pieces of broccoli. So I can just have one in each bite. And our last, but my favorite veggie is going to be our avocado. So I'm gonna take our avocado, and if you like an avocado, you can use the whole one or you can use half. So we're going to use our claw and we're gonna cut down the center of our avocado. Made it a little bit messy, but it still looks delicious. Look how green and beautiful it is. Like I said, it's my favorite veggie. So you're going to want to slice it. And for this, I'm actually going to use a butter knife. So a butter knife's gonna make a nice slice, and I'm gonna put this down because I don't wanna hold it. And I'm just gonna go down, and you can do slices, or maybe you wanna do cubes. This is one that might be a little bit too messy if you use your hands. So I've gone and I've made some nice little slices with my butter knife. So I have all my veggies ready. That was really, really easy. I used my hands for most of it. So we're gonna wanna mix everything together now. Our recipe calls for 1 cup of brown rice. So we have our 4 different cups right here, and we're gonna use the biggest one. So we have our 4, we're gonna have our 1 cup of brown rice. I'm just gonna scoop it up in here. And now if you're making this for a lot of people or for your whole family, you can always double or triple the recipe, make it a nice big salad for everybody to enjoy. And I'm gonna place it in my mixing bowl. So I have 1 cup of brown rice. And then we're going to want to add a 1/4 cup of our veggies. So again, we have our 4 cups right here, and our 1/4 cup is going to be the smallest one. Now, if you love veggies in our food adventure, maybe you want to add a little bit more, but we're going to stick to a 1/4 cup so everything's even. I'm going to add my bok choy first. So I got a 1/4 cup of this is actually my collard greens. I have a 1/4 cup of my collard greens. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of my bok choy. They were right next to each other. So I'm gonna just make sure I add all of them. So I add a 1/4 cup in. Next, I want a 1/4 cup of my mushrooms. I love mushrooms too, they're so good. So I'm gonna add kind of a full 1/4 cup because I really like the mushrooms. And we're going to add a 1/4 cup again of those little bite-sized pieces of broccoli. So once I have all my veggies and my rice together, I'm just gonna give them a quick mix. And we're not adding our avocado just yet. So we're gonna just add a quick mix of our veggies and our rice. And we're going to add Again, we're gonna use our 1/4 cup of our honey soy dressing. So I have my honey soy dressing that I pre-made. I'm just gonna make sure I mix it up. And I'm gonna pour it over my bowl so that if I spill, it just goes into my salad. So I get a 1/4 cup in here, and I'm just going to mix it in. So I've added my dressing, and I'm just gonna mix everything in. It smells so good, so green and fresh. All right, there we go. We have our veggies all nice and coated with the dressing. And I have my bowl right here that I'm gonna serve it in. So I'm just gonna add everything to my bowl because it's gonna be so good. I want all of it. And last but not least, we're going to add our avocado. So I'm gonna use a spoon because I already sliced it up. And I'm just going to take the avocado and I'm gonna scoop it out. And I'm gonna add it to the top of my salad. Doesn't that look good? I know you're jealous at home. You should go home and make this because it's gonna be so good. And we have all of our veggies. So I'm gonna try to get one bite with all of our veggies and a little bit of rice. I'm gonna see if I can do that. So I have avocado, broccoli, here's my collard greens, and I need to get a piece of mushroom. I'm gonna use my hands, but they are clean. And a little bit of our bok choy. It's really good. This is our special recipe that we've made for Food Literacy Month. Has all of our veggie contenders, and you can go to our website to learn more about Food Literacy Month. And you can vote for your favorite veggie, you can donate, and you can learn more about the events that we have later on this month with our chefs and if we have any other events going on. I want to thank everybody for joining me. Go make this recipe and go vote for your favorite veggie.